Here can you see the tire. We take the tire off so we can look on the brakes. Here can you see we take the tire off. Now we look on the brake disc and the caliper and the subtensions. Here can you see the subtensions with the spring and the brake pipes. Now we look on the caliper and the drive shaft and the brake pipes, and you can see the brake disc here. The brake pipes, subtensions. This is to udluftning. Now we look on the brakes. You can see the brake pipes and the tromble. This is the tool to take the wheels off the car. Now we look on the brake fuel container. You can see the prop and not so much when we look on the ABS block now. Here can you see the ABS block and the brake pipes go off here, and this is the block. Here can you see the brake pedal. This is you need to pump it for at kunne luft. Det bedste.